Hi everyone, welcome to Instant Ride Play. I am so glad that you joined me today. It's been a couple of days and I picked something up today at Walmart. Wanted to find something new that I've never tried before, maybe something you haven't seen. It is the Dinosaur Train Mystery Hatchasauruses. Pick those up in the store. I love, as you guys know, I love the different mystery toys and the blind boxes and different things that you can pick up, and just to have the element of surprise, not knowing exactly what you may get. And this time, what I tried to do, and I hope I'm successful, is I actually picked up different color eggs. We have a total of 5 of them. And so we have a purple one, a blue one, a green one, a yellow one, and we have an orange one. So hopefully with having different colors, we will have different characters. Some of the blind boxes I've done recently, not so successful, had several of the same exact figure. So I hope that doesn't happen in this case, but I'm not exactly sure how this works. These, they say, are for ages 2 and up. So these would be fine for my son, not for my daughter so much. But I am going to go ahead and get started and open these up, and let's see what we've got inside these eggs. Let's see if we have some dinosaurs in here. Okay, let's go ahead and check it out. And so we're going to go ahead and start first with the blue one, and let's see what we have inside. Okay. It's really neat. They already have like a line of demarcation there, so it makes it really easy to open, I think. So, okay, give it a little squeeze. Oh, now that is cute, super cute. Oh, that is cute. Before I actually open this one up, let's see what's inside this. Oh, it has all of the different, it has a hatch list with all of the different dinosaurs that we can get. Now this is, oh, I just love this. And so I don't even know how to pronounce this. Ameasaura. And I think that's the first one that we got. So cool. So this one came in blue one, and I don't know if that, ooh, I'm so excited. So isn't she adorable? How cute. Look at those big eyes. And then she has like a blue, some blue little design on the back. Oh, now she is adorable. So that is our first little hatchling that we have. So we have hatched ourselves a pink little dinosaurus. So that is cute. So I think we're going to go on to the green one next. Let's check it out. I need to be better at opening these things. Okay. Oh, yes. We have a green one. We have a green one, and we're going to go ahead and take it out the package first. And, ooh, now he is cute. Look at those eyes back there. Oh, I just love the shape of his head and the little stripes on the back. What a cutie pie. What a cutie pie. Now, I'm sure this cutie pie has a name. So, oh, and look at his little foot. I don't know if you can see, but he's like in motion. He's actually in motion, like he's taking a step. So that is so adorable. Or you can lean him over like that. He looks like he might be about to take a lunge. So we put him down, And this little guy, he is maybe on the back. Oh, there he is. Dinosaurus? Or Dinosaurus. But that's who that little guy is. He's an herbivore. A quadruped. Oh, cute. And I never said what she was, but she was a biped and she's an herbivore as well. My Sora. So let's go on to the next one. Purple. Don't you just love purple? Awesome. These are so far, they are so cute. I like these. They'll be great for my collection. Haven't heard of them before, haven't seen them anywhere, so it's always nice when you discover something new. So we've got another little pink one, but this little guy is different. Oh, very nice. Oh, look at that beak. Oh, and oh, look at the little tail and a little design on the back. That is cute. Oh, he is adorbs. Adorbs, okay? Adorbs. Don't you just want to take him home? Okay, let's go ahead and see who this little guy is. So this little guy, if you look at our hatch list, I think he might be on the back. Let's see. I don't know. I don't see him. Why is that? I don't see him on our hatch list, but maybe it's a different hatch list. So let's see. Now the interesting thing is I have gone through each one of these and I do not see one that matches this description. There's only two pink ones on the hatch list, and that's all I see. So I'm not sure. Maybe this one is super rare, but let's keep going. So we're gonna put this one off to the side. It was in the purple one, and it was in the purple one, and so let's go ahead and see what else we got. So let's go with the orange. Oh, now that is a cute little surprise. Oh, he is adorable. I just love how he lays down like that. And look at those adorable eyes. Oh, he is so cute. Very, very cute. And I think he is my favorite. So I'm going to put him down just for a second so we can see who he is. So he is a Dimetrodon. I think that's what he is. He's a biped and he's a carnivore. Yikes. He's a carnivore, but still I think he's a very cute little carnivore. So far my favorite. So we have one to go. And so this is the yellow one. It is the one that we have saved for last. Let's check it out. Okay. Oh, he is cute. cute too. Oh my gosh, look at the pretty blue. Look at the pretty blue. Oh, and he's kind of sitting on his side. He's sitting on his side. Look at that. He looks so bashful. What cute. Oh, I just love it. I just love it. So let's see who this last little guy is. We're gonna put him over here. So we're gonna put him right there, and let's see who he is. He's an ornithomus. He's an ornithomus, and he's a biped as well, but he's an omnivore. Oh, now that is so super duper cute. And so these are the dinosaur train dinosaurs. I got them from Walmart, as I mentioned. I am so pleased with the fact that I picked 5 different colors and I received 5 different dinosaurs. So of these 5, which one is your favorite? Do you like the blue one? He's adorable. Do you like the pink one? Oh yes, I remember opening her first. Do you like the green one? Is this one nice? Yeah, it's like a lime green. Totally cute. Do you like the pink one? Do you like the pink one? Now this is the one that I really couldn't find on the hatch list, and if you know who this little guy is, please let me know. Or do you like the orange one? Now the orange one was my favorite. Is it your favorite? Aw, cute, cute, cute. So these are the dinosaur train Dinosauruses. So thank you so much for tuning in today. That's all we had for Mince and Rye Play, and we'll see you soon. But before we go, I'm gonna grab my little favorite guy right here, and he's gonna say goodbye. Have a good day. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.